Hi guys, welcome to Tutes Online. Today I'm going to take you through the structure of the liver. The liver is an endocrine organ, an exocrine organ, and also a metabolic organ. Its exocrine function is the production of bile. Bile aids in the digestion of lipids. Its endocrine function is the release of glucose, the release of plasma proteins, and also the release of essential hormones. Its metabolic function is to break down carbohydrates by producing and storing glycogen, fat by forming triglycerides, and lipoproteins, and it also metabolizes protein by producing essential and non-essential amino acids. It is located under the right ribs and right dome of the diaphragm. Its upper limit is at the level of the nipples. And its lower limit follows the costal margin. It is covered with peritoneum, except where ligaments of the liver attach. These ligaments help to suspend the liver. It can be broken up into anatomical lobes or functional lobes. We're going to use the anatomical lobes, which there are 4 of. These lobes are the left, right, caudate, and quadrate lobes. The liver has a dual blood supply. We have the portal vein, which is rich in nutrients but deficient in oxygen. And the hepatic artery proper, which is rich in oxygen. These two sets of vessels supply the liver. The hepatic veins drain the liver. Here we have an anterior view of the liver. We can see the gallbladder here, the right lobe, and the left lobe. Up here we have the coronary ligament, and this attaches the superior part of the liver to the right dome and central tendon of the diaphragm. Coming down the center here, we have the falciform ligament. And this attaches the anterior surface of the liver to the anterior abdominal wall down to the level of the umbilicus. Popping at the bottom here, we have ligamentum teres. And this is a remnant of the fetal umbilical vein. Okay, here we have a posterior view of the liver now. We can see the gallbladder. Here is the inferior vena cava, the coronary ligament. Here is the right triangular ligament. And over here is the left triangular ligament. And like the coronary ligament, they're attaching the superior surface to the right dome and the central tendon of the diaphragm. On the back here we have a fissure, and within that fissure is ligamentum teres. Here we have the portal vein, and the hepatic artery proper. And these together are called the Porta Hepatis. And these lie within a fissure called the Porta Hepatis. We'll take a look at the lobes of the liver now. So on the front we saw the right and left lobe, and on the back we can see the other two lobes. This is the left lobe, and this is the right lobe. Then we have our two other lobes. We have our caudate lobe, and our quadrate lobe. The way in which to remember these two lobes from each other is A, one is above the gallbladder and one is below the gallbladder, or, if you prefer, this part here kind of looks like a tail, and caudate means tail, so the lobe with the tail is the caudate lobe, and this lobe here has four sides, and quad means four, so then this lobe here is the quadrate lobe. And that about wraps it up for the liver. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Make sure you visit the website or subscribe if you want to learn more about the human body. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.